High up in the crown of an old tree, two young red kites, still fluffy, still clumsy, but alert. The nest sways gently in the summer breeze, a gentle rocking, a sense of security in the airy heights. The sun shines warmly on their soft feathers. The chicks blink, watch, and wait. You have to be patient, because they know, at some point their parents will return. The wind carries the scent of the forest. A beetle buzzes, a branch cracks. The world is big and waiting for you. Then suddenly a shadow flits across the treetops. The young kites immediately become alert. There, the adult bird. He glides toward us proudly and elegantly. In his claws, food. The chicks can hardly wait. It's a moment of happiness and growth. Soon they too will be soaring through the skies, but today they can just be chicks. "100 seconds of nature, a quiet miracle in the spring forest. But such places, with all their stories, sounds, secrets, are disappearing. We want to preserve it permanently, untouched. We buy forests in Sweden and return them to nature. Without deforestation, without development, without large machinery that damages the forest soil for decades. For the animals, for the climate, for all of us. You can find out more at the link in the text.